overall energy, I have the moon. So somebody could be dealing with the Pisces. If not, I feel like this person that wants to come back in Cancer, I feel like they're scared. They're scared. I feel like that you're going to reject them. But I do feel like someone is using their intuition. See what I'm saying? This person is scared because they didn't bring balance into the situation between the two of you before. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. If not, this is just them thinking that you don't want to put any more time, effort, and energy into the situation with them anymore because, yeah, this person messed up. Yeah, see? They feel like they're not going to be able to have a happy home with you. But look at that. There's the Hierophant. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. If not, this is saying, I'm telling you, this person wants to have a commitment with you. Something that leads to marriage. But they don't know what to do. I'm telling you, this person messed up. They don't know what to do. And see, it's like when they come to you, they want to have confidence. What is going on today? They want to have the confidence to speak to you because, look, yeah, this person, they learned some type of lesson. And they want to move forward with you. And, yeah, they want to speak their truth. They want to tell you something. But they're worried. Okay, why are they worried? Because the decision was made here. I feel like they're coming out of being frustrated, but at the same time, right now they're not taking a leap to come towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But if not, I feel like they're scared that you're not going to give them another chance. But I do feel like this person is going through a transformation because they know that some things that they were doing before, it has to stop, you know, if they want to be with you. But unfortunately, because they feel like you don't want to have anything to do with them, this is why they're not putting forth the effort to come back towards you to put in the work right now. Yeah, somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but this is basically telling me like this person feels like there's no stability. Or they didn't bring stability in the situation. And so they feel stuck. They don't know what to do. Because I feel like they cause a lot of arguments between the two of you. And, yeah, this person messed up big time. But they do want to balance things out. But I don't know why, I feel like another energy here. So, I don't know if your person was dealing with someone else. Or there was just like another person in the situation. Let me see. Tell me more. Yeah, see, it could have been someone's mother of their child. It's something like that. I feel like for those that this resonates for so far, I feel like this person has to give to someone else, just the way this is looking already. Like I said, they could have been helping out their mother, child's mother, something like that. But if not, this could be your energy here, Cancer, where it's just saying that this person wants to give to you. They want to balance things out with you, but they know that they hurt you. And they feel like you're still upset with them because, yeah, this person was definitely being sneaky. Definitely being sneaky in the past. Somebody's coming out of feeling sad about this situation. Because I feel like the person that messed up, they feel like at one point they lost you. You know, and they're trying to come out of that energy. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. I'm sorry, I know I didn't say that. Water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio as well. But I just feel like this person is going through some lessons here. Because right now they're sitting back, they're thinking, they're reflecting on what they did in the past. I do feel like this person is keeping a close eye on you. They don't want you to move on. See? This person wants to 10 of cups with you, Cancer. They want everything with you. You are their wish fulfillment. They can see themselves marrying you, having a family with you, the whole nine. And see, they're coming out of being frustrated because I feel like this person was just moving really, really slow to give you that offer that you wanted. And see, there's the Ace of Cups because I'm telling you, they're going to come back to give you the offer that you deserve. And it is a secure offer here. Somebody is definitely dealing with a Pisces. I don't know who this is for, but I feel like somebody's dealing with a Pisces. But anyway, I do feel like this person is scared to give you this offer. Yeah, because you cut them off in the past. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. And I do feel like there's a Libra here. So, this person is seeing things clearly now. They do want to give you the truth about something. Clarify. Maybe somebody had to get out of some type of legal situation, some type of contract as well. Tell me more. Yeah, because see, now they're not content with their finances here. Somebody's not content about money. So for some of you guys, somebody was dealing with like a court battle, some type of legal situation. If not, they were just having to give to someone. But when it comes to the two of you, they're just not happy because they know they messed things up. And you could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person does have a hard time speaking their truth to you. They have a hard time showing their emotions. And this is why they're moving slow. Because, see, they're needing to take care of something on their end, but they also are feeling guilty because of what they put you through. But they definitely want a new beginning with you, Cancer. They definitely do, but they're moving slow. See, there's little to no communication right now because this person is undecided about what to do because they do feel like your guard is still up. Hold on, y'all. Look at that. Ace of Swords. So, this person definitely wants to talk to you because they want to have a new beginning, but they're scared that they cause so much drama and so much mess that you don't want to work things out with them. And see, now they're in their head because they feel like they lost you for good. They don't know what to do. See, this person was definitely being very childish and immature in the past. And this is why they're dragging their feet to come towards you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. They definitely want things to improve here, but there could have definitely been some type of third-party interference. Tell me more. And see, now the seeds that y'all planted, they feel like they're not going to grow at all. And see, they want to give you this offer, but at the same time, they're not. Yeah, I'm telling you, somebody was in some type of, like, toxic, codependent situation. And see, they don't want you to walk away from them, but the way this is looking, they're not walking away from something. Like I said, I don't know if it's like a family situation or there was like an ex. There's somebody else here. And it's like they're not completely done with that other situation yet, and they're trying to get out of it. But I feel like it's some type of obligation here. But when it comes to you, they don't want you to walk away. And at the same time, they're definitely just feeling guilty for everything that they put you through. Like, they're regretting their decisions. But it's like they don't know how to get out of this. And this is why they're moving slow. Tell me more. Okay, but look, this person's going to rush in, guys. They're going to rush back in because I see them planning. They want to have a new opportunity with you. Look at that. Somebody's getting an offer of a commitment here. It's like once they get out of this situation, this person is coming because they want to tell you that they do want to work things out with you. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But someone's not happy here. Clarify. Sun in reverse. This person loves you. This person definitely loves you. They want this to work. But at the same time, I'm telling you, this person is scared that you're going to reject them. Could be dealing with a Leo. But this is why they don't have the strength to come towards you right now due to what they did to you in the past. Look, I told you, they're scared that if they give you this offer, Cancer, that you're rejecting them. You're going to reject it. But see, they do want to have a victory with you. But see, they can't sleep. They're worried. They're frustrated that you're not going to accept this offer. They feel like they messed things up for good and that you're moving on. And they don't have a peace of mind about it. But see, there's 2 9s. So this karmic cycle that this person has been going through is coming to an end. But this individual, whoever this is referencing, they're not using their intuition. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But this person is just constantly thinking about you just cutting them off. You know, they're like, if I come back to talk to Cancer, are they really going to hear me out, or are they just going to slam the door in my face like they don't want to hear it? Yeah, see, this person is scared that things may not improve between the two of you. You could be dealing with another Cancer. This is also telling me that this person wants to move on with you, but at the same time, they feel like you're going to move away from them. See, they feel like you're going to break up with them. Like, it's not going to happen. This commitment that they want. See? And this is why they're not being positive. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, they're scared that they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you, Cancer. And they're frustrated about it. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but this person, I do feel like, is trying to hold on to hope that they can fix this. So somebody's made a decision here. Could be dealing with a Capricorn, but I do feel like this person is scared. They're scared because, yeah, they broke your heart. There was definitely some type of third-party situation here. Yeah, see? And they're scared because they hurt you, and they feel like if they give you this offer, I'm telling you, you're not going to take it. You're not. So this is why they're taking it day by day, trying to come back towards you, Cancer. See what I'm saying? There's 2 3s. Luckily, they're both reversed. I'm telling you, there was a third party here. Whether it's family or another man, woman, whatever. But there was another third party here. But with these coming out reversed, this is telling me that this person is getting out of a third party situation. They're just scared that you don't want to build with them anymore because they know that you're still disappointed in them. This person's going to have the strength to come back towards you. See? Because right now, they're feeling like if they do, things are not going to improve. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but this person definitely wants to balance things out with you, Cancer. See? They're clearing away obstacles right now so that they can be with you because they know that they left you out in the cold. And see, they're back and forth because they stabbed you in the back, you know, and they're hoping that you can forgive them. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, but they look at you as someone who is very positive, and they want you back in their life. They want you back. Ooh, Cancer. What y'all gonna do? Whew, y'all, leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you in your situation. Okay, guys, I love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye, Cancers. Bye, Cancers. Bye.